Hello, I'm Ben. This is Rebecca. That's Denny, the expedition vehicle, and we are Outliers Overland. In this video, we are proud, happy, and excited to offer you, the Outliers, access to our new YouTube membership program.
First things first, you're going to notice a join button now on our channel down below the video here. This will help you to gain access to our members-only community. The most important thing we want to relay right off the bat is that nothing changes about the YouTube content we currently put out. These are enhancements for you guys, the Outliers, to enjoy extra benefits with our channel, Outliers Overland.
So I guess it's only fair to ask the question, well, what is an outlier? Well, the beauty of this word is that it's going to mean something different for everybody. For us, it resonates really well with the fact that we are outside the box thinkers. We don't feel that you have to live within the confines of society's norms, and you do have the right and privilege to pursue your dreams, whatever they may be.
Taking it a little further, we prefer being outside rather than inside. We prefer being out in nature. We love big cities too, but our hearts are always happy when we're out and about, farther away from the fray. And it's going to mean something special for you as well.
And if you're comfortable sharing what Outlier means to you, we would encourage you to put it in the comment section below, because we'd love to hear what your thoughts are on the word outlier.
Next up, we're going to jump into talking about the different tier levels that we have for our membership program. And you're going to have to forgive us because there's quite a bit of information, so we're going to cheat and look at our note feature on our phone.
But that's a good thing, because there are a lot of new benefits and engagement features available for you guys, the Outliers.
All right, so let's jump right in. Tier 1 is for Pathfinders. It's $1.99 a month. It includes early access to our videos, so the minute they upload, we're going to let you have access to them. It also includes the membership only community where we can chat with each other and other members.
And it's like a social media platform built into YouTube if you're not familiar with it yet.
Yep, place where we can share more information with you. There's also going to be free membership to our website, outliersoverland.com. And with that comes discounts on our merchandise as well as our courses that we offer. We also have, and this is pretty fun, I'm really excited about these 4 emojis that we've created. There's one of Nelly, one of Denny, one of the state of Alaska, and I'm forgetting the 4th one.
The license plate of Denny, the expedition vehicle.
4x4 RTW.
But we've been making videos for over 5 years now, and you guys have been with us through a lot of chapters of our life between Alaska, the motorhome, this, and then this upcoming world trip.
We thought they kind of reflected all of the different stages that we've gone through over the years. And lastly, there are loyalty badges that YouTube provides. So as the longer you're part of the membership program, the prettier the badge you get. Next up is Tier 2. This is for the Trailblazer.
And this is where the engagement with us, the personal engagement, goes through the roof.
Yep. So it's $4.99 per month. You get all the stuff from Tier 1, but you also get private monthly Q&A videos. Sometimes these are going to be recorded and sometimes live, but any questions that you submit to us through the membership community, we will then make a video and answer them for you.
And it will be private for the members.
Exactly. We also want you guys to be able to have some content influence on the channel. So, every once in a while we put a poll out and ask people what kind of videos they want to see, but we're going to get a little bit more detailed with you here and find out, like, hey, we're thinking about making one of these 3 videos. Which one do you want to see first, or which one do you not want to see at all? That kind of thing.
Because ultimately, it is about you guys and what you guys want. Obviously, we're going to stay true to ourselves, but we're going to seek out a happy balance to give you guys what you want and stick to our core fundamental roots.
Well, we can all feel like we're part of Outliers Overland
this
way. So next tier up is for the Road Warrior. I like this name.
I like our theme. Obviously, you're picking up on it by now.
I think so. All right, so again, everything from the first 2 tiers, it's $9.99 a month. And here, This is where, like, the last level was about interaction with us. This level is about access to exclusive content. So we're going to be sharing behind the scenes footage, bloopers, uncut footage that never made it to YouTube.
We messed a lot of things up, so the bloopers are pretty good. I'm crossing my fingers. We might be in business. Are you recording?
I am, but what do you want me to record? We're blocking all the traffic.
Oh.
And you rolled your eyes at me. And we cut a lot out.
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff that happens that doesn't make it to the YouTube video. And we're also going to include content that is coming up, either for our documentaries or for the videos themselves, so that you can see them and give us feedback.
Yeah, as we work on these greater projects, because we are transitioning into producing documentaries, I'm going to be spitting out these trailers. If the open road was calling, would you answer? When you dream, do you dream of far-off lands? And then as the documentary comes together, we will be able to, like, okay, here's Act 1, for example. I'm finished. I'll send it out to you guys, get your feedback. Think of it like a virtual screening room.
You can become a producer.
Yeah.
But no, I think this will be great for us because we'll get your feedback on what you like about it and what you don't. But it's also going to be really fun for you because, like, we're working on a trailer for one of the documentaries right now. And it'll be available for you guys to look at in the membership community soon.
And I have some content already ready to go for you guys as well.
Exactly. Last thing about this tier is that you're going to get VIP access. So we're having margaritas on the beach or a campfire in the woods, and we have Wi-Fi access.
Or mobile internet access, yeah.
Same thing. We're going to invite you to join us in a members-only live stream.
Just hang out.
Exactly. Get to know each other better. Visit about things. All right, so this takes us to tier 4. This is our last tier, and this is for the expedition leaders. It's a big tier. $24, $24.99 a month. You know, we wanted to offer something for those of you that just really love our content and want to be able to express that. And what we're going to add to this is, the way I wrote it was, if you love us this much, then we're going to send you postcards from the road. Sometimes it'll be ones we make. Sometimes it will be ones we get commercially from, you know, like the local gift
Tourist
store.
shop.
But either way, they're going to be sent with love. So you get all of the other stuff, plus you're going to hear from us while we're out on the road.
Like I mentioned earlier, we have been doing this whole YouTube thing for 5 years, and we have come in contact and engaged with a lot of people throughout this journey, and we have helped a lot of people achieve their dreams. And this is just an opportunity for those who want to show a little extra appreciation.
I think that, we need to talk about what we're gonna do with said money, right?
Yeah, sake bombs, margaritas on the beach. Hell yeah, let's do this.
At least we're gonna invite you to watch.
Yeah, watch us drink. No, just kidding.
Totally
what
kidding.
The funds from our YouTube membership program are gonna go towards, it's gonna go towards making this whole production a lot more sustainable. And it will also relieve some of the pressure so we can, because we're always, we want to think you should be moving forward in life. It's going to allow us the opportunity to move forward into full-length documentaries.
I'm really excited about that too, because I've already seen what he's been working on, and it's impressive.
And you lived it too.
I did live it. Well, of course I saw it living it, but seeing what Ben's putting together, it's just another level for us, and we're really excited to bring you guys along with it.
Well, that just about covers everything and makes this a wrap for the launch of our new YouTube community membership program for the Outliers.
Only thing that's left for you to do is click that join button down below. I don't know about you, but we're really excited about the prospect of being able to interact with you guys more, get to know you better, share more with you. So we're really excited to be doing this. We look forward to seeing you in the membership community area and on the videos and live streams. Thank you so much for riding along with us all of these years.
It really means a lot.
It does.
And we're very excited that YouTube now has this feature built into our favorite social media video sharing platform.
So we'll see you out there on the road and in the membership area.
See ya.
Salut.
There's no other place I'd rather be than right here with you.
Oh, ditto. That was graceful.